Oh my god, I love that car. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a video with an Audi S3. Audi S3. Basically, obviously, as everyone knows, we're expecting a child, so we have been looking for family cars. Sporty family cars, yes, not as a Zafira.
That's a Zafira XR.
No. So basically, obviously, me and Reese are both reviewing the cars from now on for reasons. And yeah, so we're coming from my friend from school, and we've known him for quite a while now. Has just recently upgraded to the S3 from a Malabar.
Big upgrade.
Very big upgrade. Very big upgrade. And yeah, I think he's done really well upgraded. So well done to you. The R4 was nice as well though, wasn't it? It was a really nice car. Yeah. But yeah, this is
a completely
different league. It's German, of course, as well. So we have literally been in the car 2-3 minutes, and Reese has
absolutely.
He literally is obsessed with it. He's so happy with it. I don't think we realise how much potential these cars actually have, and we've only been in the car a few minutes.
It's got a map as well, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's stage 1. So I'm not sure if everyone knows the car, but it's like a 2 litre. It's the same as the Golf R.
S1.
It's S1, yeah, they're all the same.
Generic 2 litre.
Yeah. And they map really freaking well. So this actually has the stage 1 map on it with very little supporting mods. It's just the exhaust, DRS. And he even said in these that it's just completely different car. He loves it. He's not bored of it yet either, which is really good. So you love it already. And this is the first time though Reese has actually driven DSG. So
it's a game changer then.
It's a game changer for him apparently. But we are loving the car so far. It is definitely up there with obviously family cars that we have been looking at. Well, we've been more towards. I
prefer these to Golf R.
Yeah,
in
already.
The Saloon, yeah. So
we have been looking towards more German cars than obviously any other car. But there is 2 cars here that need to be bought. So we've got 2 options either way. But yeah, no, so far so good, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we are going to do a little review of this car. Obviously show you the ins and outs of it, any more details that we've got for you, and a little montage of the car itself. So yeah, happy watching. Right guys, so here, you just got ahead. Right guys, so here we have the S3 that we borrowed for the evening. As you can see, it's a proper businessy man car. We've somehow like it now compared to the actual hatchback. So the Saloon in Reese's book is definitely a tick. So yeah, he's kept his standard. He's not had it that long, so he's not done much to the car at all on the outside. But I'm just showing you the car so you'll have a feel for what it looks like. And as you can see, it's one of them cars that you'd see coming up behind you, and you wouldn't even like know if it's an S3 or not. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but yes, that's one thing you wouldn't even know. Look how gorgeous it is. It's pretty, isn't it? Look at this. This video's sick because it's so nice. I'm on about the weather.
The leather?
I was on about the weather.
Weather?
Yeah, the sun.
Alright.
But the car's nice as well. But yeah, so we have grown to like it. It is definitely like a big enough for a family car anyway. Rear end is nice. 4 exhausts. Even like the ride itself.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not like too big or too small kind of thing. Like it's all blacked out as well. It's nice. So interior wise, full leathers. It smells really nice as well. So it's very top spec. It's just a nice looking car altogether, inside and out. And to be fair, I think for a family car, it is a decent family car. Is there anything you'd like to say about the outside of the car?
What?
Just have your opinion on the car.
I don't know.
It's a hard one, isn't it? Because it's nice as it is.
Depends
it's nice
which way you're
standard.
going to try to go. If you want to go down your businessman, keep it fresh look, you keep it as it is. But if you want it to like murder it out, you do grill and that. Then change wheels on it.
So it is a hard one. Because the car itself is a nice looking car.
It depends which way you want it to go with it, won't it?
Yeah.
You can either go one way or the other.
I'd keep it standard, mate. If I got it, I'd keep it like that. It's really nice.
I'd mod it to put on the bonnet.
Yeah, and just let no one know. Just leave it as it is. Yeah, it's a really nice car. Right, so we're gonna get a few videos. It is a nice car and we like the car. So we've got a few things obviously we like about it to point out to you, and a few things obviously that we don't like about it. We are going to start off with liking about the car. So do you want to go with a few bits that because you've been driving it, obviously you're going to know more.
It's rapid.
Okay, so that's a good thing.
Well, I don't know, ST were probably quicker, but this is just no drama at all. It just puts it down, doesn't it?
It does it for you?
Yeah.
Anything else that you noticed been driving it?
Steering's very direct. Because it's electric steering as well. Normally, like with yours, it feels a bit boaty, McBoaty, doesn't it? Like you don't feel like you're connected to it rather than this you do. Right or left here? Right. Death.
Death.
Actual death. This start. Yeah, this is a bit
awkward. I
think you can turn death
yeah, you
again.
can turn it off.
See, now we're gonna die because of stop. Go.
You can turn it off, but it isn't something I'd keep turned on. I'd definitely. But again, it saves fuel, doesn't it, and stuff like that. So it just like it's good in some ways.
All these different modes, they're off class.
But like your sport mode, manual.
In ST, it's full on Hasbro 24/7, isn't it?
Yeah, I suppose you can like turn it up and down kind of thing.
Now what we're in comfort, I'm guessing.
Yeah, you're in your normal.
Which is just like A3, isn't it? It's an A3 now.
So yeah, because you've been changing it, switching it up. Yeah. What do you prefer then, manual or keeping
Depends what you're driving for.
Well, with like tonight kind of thing.
If I was going out for a rag.
Sport mode.
Sport mode, yeah.
But no, yeah. So like driving the car is great. It is a good car. It's obviously no hassle at all. ST.
The thing is though, is it a weekend car?
It's more like a daily, isn't it?
Exactly. Really? It's that awkward barrier, isn't it? Like, is it too much to be a daily? But is it?
Because obviously, me and Reese are looking for one weekend car that we can put a lot of money into. Don't want any comments about kid or no money or anything right now, because we aren't thinking about that. We are generally wanting something fun to keep along the lines of what we've had obviously previously. Now I've got the Fiesta ST, you've had Swiss Sport, you've had a ST, and then you had a Corsa beforehand, didn't you?
Yeah, thanks.
But these are all things that we've done stuff with, we've made out, we've had fun with them. This you could, but I think it gets to a point where it gets really expensive if you want to go like serious power. But I suppose any car, isn't it, really?
I don't know. Bang for your buck, like it's probably the cheapest car you can get to 500 horsepower.
This?
Yeah. Because it's the same as Golf R, isn't it?
Yeah, and that's cheap.
And that was.
Yeah.
Compared to like other weekend cars, it should be like contenders like your Evos and your GTRs and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, you're talking
Like,
big money, aren't you?
It's been big money for them. And
Yeah. Is that no breast milk?
No. See, yeah.
That's one thing.
That's the fault.
The normal A3 Saloons.
Like the S lines, like the top spec S lines.
Very, very similar cars. Well, if not, they are the exact same car, really.
This was rapid.
Yeah. But yeah, exactly. Reese is not a German guy. You're not interested in it. You don't like German cars. DSG has never been something that he's really been interested in. He's always loved his manual cars because obviously you put your own, you're the own driver of the car, aren't you, really? And that's why he loves his ST, that's why you're looking at RSs. He just doesn't, he's not a German guy at all, as I've always been led towards a Golf R.
You're boring.
But have you found this car boring? You haven't, have you, so far?
That's the thing, because yeah, but would I?
Yeah, exactly.
Would I go on to find it boring?
Along,
I'd end up having to keep modding it, and before you know it, it's a bit left or right, yeah.
Yeah, I 100% see where you're coming from.
Yeah.
So, alright, it's like a really, that's quite nice for a normal Fiesta. I don't know. To be honest, I can't find a bad point about his car other than it just being.
Its best,
boring,
its best bit about it is its worst bit about it as well. The fact that it can blend in.
Yeah.
That's its best and worst
like
bit.
Sleep mode.
Because I know as you go anywhere and you're getting looked at 24/7.
We haven't really helped that though, have we? Well, I've not. I've gone bright yellow.
Yeah. Yeah, but and then in this, when we went past that Fiesta ST, then like you didn't give us a second look, sort of thing.
Yeah.
But that's a good and a bad thing.
Oh yeah, I know where you're coming from exactly.
Where are you taking me down here?
It's nice down
Oh yeah, good road this.
It is. So, but yeah, so we're liking the car, and up to now we'd 100% a family to get one. If you're starting a new family, or obviously you've got a family, or if you've even got this for yourself, come forward and obviously drop a comment and let us know what you think. Because we haven't chosen the car yet, have we? We haven't. We're nowhere near choosing a car.
We change it every day, don't we?
Yeah. So we're basically just saving up money now.
Like what's the budget? Say 30k, left or right?
Either's alright.
Let's say 30k.
30k for like a toy.
Yeah, for a weekend toy.
So
it's like the whole massive. Because you can pick good Evos and everything up for that.
I know, yeah, if anyone got an Evo we can review as well. That'll be a really good. So yeah, so.
You said this when you.
It just feels like Golf R.
Well, it's the same.
It's the same.
I like this
car.
interior, I'll Golf R.
This has got a much better interior, yeah, but it's Audi, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, Audi VW. Oh, I do like the seats. And the seats are dead comfy. And I don't think the interior is not too much, is it? It's not all in your face.
Second hand, these are very similar price to Golf R. I thought the Audi would have been slightly more.
No, Audi, both.
Because they are the same car, but I reckon this looks better than the Golf R.
So,
And interior is better than the Golf R. So
and it came up for the same price. And this one came up with stage 1 map.
Only problem with this though is,
what?
You'd always be, yeah, love me S3, and then a guy in an RS3 would put the lights next to you. And he'd like,
I know, but you can map them to exactly the same.
Yeah, but then the RS3's got the 5-cylinder engine in it, hasn't it? Which
it's got a noise.
It's got the noise.
But who's saving the money? Who's been the clever guy?
What, when you put 10 grand into it to make it?
Right.
Right.
I don't know. That one says Wigan, that one says Leyland, so I'm gonna go Leyland.
Why is he reversing?
But yeah, no. No, so yeah, so far so good.
Yeah.
Right, so now we've got to say bye to the S3. So I'm going to take it back to its owner.
You can have the Monday.
He can have the Monday. But yeah, so we're taking it back now. One thing we have thought of, obviously since doing the last night talk, that if we was to get an S3, we would put an exhaust in it. That's the only. It sounds very good. Yeah, it's really nice.
We used to add exhaust, aren't we?
Yeah, so we put an exhaust in it. Apart from that, though, we've really enjoyed it, haven't we? And we definitely recommend it for anyone's car, not just a family car. Anything you want to say?
I like it.
You like it?
But is it a weekend car? That's me.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's more of a
daily driver, isn't it? It's what you drive to your working and stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't know. So
like
we've got
a heavily modded one of these would be good.
Would be very good. But we have got more cars lined up to review, obviously for the family options as well as normal options. So we are going to review a few more cars and then go from there, and we'll choose one hopefully. Yeah. But no, this has been a very strong contender.
Better than I thought it was going to be.
There you go. But yeah, we do like the car. So
we should make like a little list of which ones we preferred.
Like a top gear thing. So yeah, we'll be back with some more cars and obviously some more reviews for you. So hopefully just stay tuned, keep subscribing, keep commenting and keep liking, and we'll be back very soon. So thanks for watching today's video guys, and we'll see you soon.
See you in a bit.
Bye.